Hi guys, welcome to today's video where I will be talking about showing you 3 websites that you can use to make money online in Nigeria in 23. So if you are looking for something like that, a stuff or a platform like that will give you access to make some money online as a side hustle, then make sure you watch this video to the end, because these 3 websites that I'm about to show you are websites that I myself use to make money online. So I'm not just going to show you things or platform that are not paying. I am showing you what I am using and the platform I am using to earn extra money online. So make sure you watch this video as I review these 3 websites to you in this video within few minutes. So I want to use this opportunity to tell those guys who have not subscribed to my YouTube channel to make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because in my channel here I share videos around affiliate marketing, blogging, and anything that has to do with making money online. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you'll not be missing those good information I will be sharing with you guys. So make sure you subscribe and turn the notification bell to all. Once I upload videos like this, YouTube will be able to notify you of my new upload. So guys, today I'll be showing you 3 websites in Nigeria that you can use to make money online. Actually, this platform may not be able to make you millionaire, but if you put in your best, put in effort, you'll be able to earn subsequent amount of money from this platform. Because one of these platform I was able to make around 100k from this particular platform, and the first one I was able to make around 17k, and the other one I was able to make some money. So if you be able to put in effort and do what is required of you, I am sure that these platforms are going to pay you good amount of money. So guys, let's dive into what you have. And before I continue, check the description of this video. You are going to get the link to these 3 websites. So check the description and get the link to this website, and you can also use those links to sign up on any of these platforms. So my number 1 in the list is Owodele. Owodele is one of the make money online platform in Nigeria where you can complete some mini job, mini tasks, mini activities, and when you complete those things you get paid from this platform. So it's a place that there are so many ways that you can actually earn from this platform. Owodele, you earn by performing mini job, you earn by completing tasks, you earn by doing their affiliate marketing, you earn by doing affiliate referrals, using your affiliate links to refer your friends to join the platform. And also there are top products that you can promote on this platform, digital product that you can promote either to your email list, either to your audience on social media, and you get paid in this platform Owodele. So Owodele is my number 1 recommendation where you can make money online as a Nigeria right here doing mini tasks and mini job, and you get a commission paid to you weekly. So in a Owodele platform there are about 2 membership. They have the normal membership, and also they have Owodele Plus, as you can see right here in my screen. Right here they have Owodele Plus and the normal membership. So it is now left for you to decide on the one you want to sign up. But if you don't have a digital product, you are not selling any digital product, then it is advisable that you try normal Owodele plan. That is this one. You try the normal Owodele plan. It is what is good for you. If you don't have a digital skin, if you don't have any digital product, normal Owodele membership is good for you. But if you're a product creator, you have services, you have product that you are selling, Owodele Plus is the right plan for you to go with. So all you need to do is click the link at the description of this video, sign up, and when you click the link, it's going to show you this, that you have been invited. You have been invited by Osakwenes Inuchena to join Owodele. So make sure you see my name before you can sign up, so that you will not be able to miss the bonus I prepare for my audience, so that you'll be able to benefit from it. So my number 1 recommendation is Owodele, and all you need to do is come down here and click on sign up. You click on sign up, then you'll be able to sign up an account. The registration is very simple: your name, your email, and your password. and you are good to go. So my number 2 recommendation in my list here is Naira for All. Most of us might have come to know, or in one way or the other hear about Naira for All or come about Naira for All. Naira for All is one of the best platform in Nigeria that has been paying since 2015, and this platform is still paying to this very moment. My regret about Naira for All is that I did not discover Naira for All earlier. Assuming I discovered Naira for All earlier, I could have made much more than what I've made already from the platform. As of the time of making this video on Naira for All, I've generated about 100k from this platform, and I am sure that if you put in your best in this platform, is going to pay you as well. It's going to pay you massively, because this platform has been since 2015 and they are still paying. So this platform, what you need to do, you sign up, and registration fee is just 1,500, 3,000 naira mean. When you sign up an account, then there are so many ways that you can earn money from this platform. Now let's look at the membership. There are so many ways that you can earn money from this platform. As you can see, number 1 here is to make money online in Nigeria just by browsing website. Yes, you make money online in Nigeria by browsing website. There are top website that's partnered with Naira for All that gives you as a member, premium member, access of working with those companies. So when you work with those companies pays you in paper, they pay you in US dollars, some of them pay in Bitcoin. And when you are working with those people, you'll be able to receive your money here in Nigeria, either to your Pioneer account, either using Bitcoin, either using paper, any means of you can use to receive your payment. Those companies has various payment method that you can receive your money. So it's not something that you're going to say, if I work with this company, I will be able to receive my money. You'll be able to receive your money because there are several payment options with those companies. So number 1 way to make money on Naira for All is by viewing website, and you can see also in my screen the number 2 is download their ebooks and resell. If you look at Facebook ad that most people are selling ebooks and all that people are selling, most of those ebooks, they are not written by those owners. Those books that are selling, most of them are private label rights, which you can resell. And Naira for All has given you the opportunity to download those ebooks, about 3,000 ebooks, where you can download them, build up a sales page, and run a paid ad, and you resell those ebooks, and you keep all the profit to yourself. So it is a cool platform where you can generate a lot of money for yourself. And you can see also in my screen the number 3, you are given access also to make 1.5 over and over. This gives you access to make 1.5 over and over into your Nigeria bank account. And not just limited to that, you also have information on how to study in UK. These are products and ebook that will guide you, that will put you through. And the amazing thing, you can resell this product. You can download this product to your phone, resell them, and make a lot of money. And there is another also bonus on Naira for All that gives you access on building a business website. You build a business website, and if you're able to build like 3 in a month and resell them, you see you're going to make a lot of money. So now there are so many ways that you can make money from this particular platform. So all you need to do is to sign up an account and you get started, and the registration fee is just 3,000. And you can see how the platform works. Now is an online business platform that is designed to enable Nigerians make real and legit money online in Nigeria. So in this platform, you stand a chance of earning both in locally and in dollars. So I am giving you the opportunity that you check this platform and see if you are the one looking for a place that you can make some little money online. Now is one of the best, or the second or the best place that you can make money online. So all you need to do, click the link at the description of this video and it brings you here, and you sign up an account. Just put in your first name, your last name, your email address, your username, and your password, and submit and make your payment, and you are good to go. So the last and not the least in my list here is $for us. I know many of us have not had about Dollar for Us, but this platform is also legit. It's a place that you can make money online right here in Nigeria. If you're one of those guys looking for platform that you can make money online in Nigeria, so Dollar for Us is another cool platform that you can make money online here in Nigeria. This platform, I've tried it. I'm also a member for me on this platform, and I also earn money from this platform. So Dollar for Us is another cool place where you can earn money online. There are so many ways that you can earn on Dollar for Us. You view ads, you get paid. You comment on news, you get paid. You refer your friends, you get paid. And they have digital product that you can sell as an affiliate. You can pick those products, you sell them, and you stand a chance of earning 50% commission selling those digital products. And if you don't want to do that, you also have products that you have the reseller rights. You download those products, set up a sales page, and resell those books, resell those stuff, resell those products, and you earn all the commission to yourself. And also they have the affiliate program, which is their referral program, that gives you the access of earning 1,500 naira. So there are several ways that you can make money online on Dollar for Us. So all you need to do is use the link at the description of this video, sign up an account, and get started with this platform. There is nothing complicated or any difficult stuff about this platform. So all you need is sign up an account and you are good to go. You can see, and the amazing thing about this platform is just similar to Naira for All, but it's not actually like Naira for All. In this platform, you also stand a chance of earning in two ways. You earn in dollars and you also earn locally. And the amazing thing about Dollar for All is that they give you the opportunity to get access to people account. You can create people account all by yourself because the tutorial has been given to you. So nobody is going to pay, or nobody is going to charge you to create a people account for them. You learn the strategies and the tips, and you create a people account. You'll be able to use it to receive your money online. Just getting access to that people account from this platform, Dollar for Us. So there are amazing ways that you can make money online on Dollar for Us. So all you need to do is sign up, and I think the registration fee is around $1,503. Very little something, but you'll be able to earn good amount of money from this platform. I know a guy that in 1 month he was able to generate around 400k from Dollar for Us. Just in a month he was able to generate around 400k. And you can do this stuff. You can do it with your smartphone. This 3 platform I showed you are platform that you can run with your smartphone. You don't need a laptop, you don't need a desktop, you don't need anything. Just with your mobile phone, you can run this business, and you'll be able to be pushing a lot of cash for yourself every single month or every single day. You have a WhatsApp, you have Facebook, you have so many other means that you can drive a lot of traffic to your affiliate link and be making a lot of commissions. Registration fee is just 1,500 naira, one-time payment, and you are good to go. So all you need to do is come down here, use the link at the description, and you will bring you here. You put in your first name, then you put in your last name, you put in your email address, you put in your password, you put in password, then your country, you choose your country. So, and Dollar for All is not just only limited to Nigeria. Various other countries can join this platform and they can still be making money online. You can see it. So various countries, not only limited to Nigeria alone. So you come down here, choose your country, and you sign up an account. Here you enter your account details, your account name, your account number, and your bank, and you click here agree, then you click register. And once you do that, it's going to show you a page that you can actually activate your account, and you can do this by that paying with your card or paying with Bitcoin or paying with PayPal, and your account will be approved and you begin to earn instantly. So guys, these are 3 platforms that I myself am using right now to make money online, and that is why I review these platforms to you, because I want you to start making money online. So if these platforms are good place that the way I showed you and is a place that you feel that you can actually do some things in this platform and earn some money online, so go ahead and sign up with this platform. And if you have any question concerning about these three platforms, Woodley, Naira for All, and Dollar for Us, do let me know at the comment section. And also, if you gain value from this video, also make sure you leave me a comment at the comment section of this video. And most importantly, if you have tried any of these platforms, Dollar for Us, Naira for All, and Woodley, you tried it, do let me know at the comment section of this video. So guys, see you again in my next video. Bye bye.